Hey guys, we're playing Animal Company right now. Me and RJ been playing this game secretly. We had an idea to make a video, but we just fell off on that because we just stopped talking for a very long while. Well, he been calling me, but I just don't answer, and I apologize. Now you can do your little intro. And by the way, you're still in call chat. You're in app chat.
We're supposed to be in app chat so they can hear us.
Exactly. I said you're in app chat. I mean, go to app chat. Go to app chat. Wait, do I have? How much money do I have? Only 520. Now let's get moving.
I'm at $2 because I brought a backpack and a flashlight.
Like my cool book bag.
I'm gonna snatch that from you.
Nice green one too. And all we need is a flashlight. They added a crossbow? Hold up, let's view the cool things they added.
Hello guys, my name is Simply Drive / Bowtie VR /
Well, this is the only new thing.
I'm probably gonna change my name to one of my nicknames to Hamburger VR. I don't even know.
Hamburger, Whopper, Hamburger, Tiga.
Shut up!
Alright, let's get going to the cave.
Huh? Wait, hold on. Let me get my intro for this time. Hello guys, my name is Simply Extra / Bowtie VR / nothing else. But today we're going to be playing with
Sky High VR, everybody! Oh yeah!
Sky is definitely high today on VR.
Bro! Alright, come on.
Sky is on.
And let me tell y'all something.
Wait for me!
Shut up, monkey! Did I buy a flashlight?
Get your ass over.
Come here.
Hold up, wrong cave. I'm out of here.
Wait, hold up. They changed the path again?
Bro, they done changed the path about 8 different times.
Alright, chill out here, because there might be a real life VR monster. Yep, there's definitely one coming up right here. Well, not right here.
The other one,
But
all the way
soon.
over there. I'm going to get that good
bird
egg.
thing.
I'm going to get the
Oh, we
egg.
gonna get the bird egg?
Yeah.
Hey, bro,
Let me get the bird egg, bro. I'm literally at $2.
I'm going for everything else besides that egg. Duh. I know we didn't take his ankles that hard before that he's still like this. Say I won't, RJ. Get his egg! Bro. Dang! No! The sugars!
come for today.
I died.
Come on, bro, speak in the microphone.
Skibbity, I died. I'm going to school,
Speak in
guys.
the microphone right now. Bro.
Shut up, monkey, shut up, monkey, shut up. I just died.
Womp.
Yeah,
How did you die, bro?
I fell in the void trying to get your stuff. Besides the egg, I knew that egg was gone for when I seen it fly like that. I may be playing football sometimes and catching the ball with one hand and flying back and hitting the back of my head.
Backpack or flashlight anymore. This isn't fair, bro.
I can share with you. Go get buy your own. Go buy your own. It's only 49 bucks.
Bro, I'm at $2. I'm fucking homeless, man.
You better you better go run and catch some items by 2 hands and bring them back and make you some bread.
Come on, boy. Come on, let's get some money. Come on, boy. Come on.
Let's go get that bread. Let's go get that bread. On that bread. Let's that bread. Give me the bread. Give me the bread. Reason why you need a flashlight is because in this game you go to caves and they begin real spooky
Bro,
and
did
dark.
you throw my backpack down there with it?
No, I was trying to bring your backpack with you and it dropped down there. Well, no, I fell down there. That's the point. I fell down there.
Just throw it. Wait, no, the egg respawned.
Give me this. Give me this banana. Hey, bro, all I want is that Stanley. All I want, Stanley. That's all. Stanley. That's all, gang. That's all I want. That's all I want. What did I do?
What's up with you, man? What's up with you?
Hold up, that was mine. Never mind, you can have it. I don't care. Just go take it back and I'll try to get the egg for you.
Yeah, because I'm not too goddamn motherfucking dog.
I'm gonna try to get the egg for you.
Matter of fact, keep that motherfucking man. I don't want to know.
Hey, I'm gonna get the egg. You better run and get this egg while I'm risking my life for you. Man, come chase me. You make your life so miserable. You could just have some free food right here and now. Just imagine me as a big black chicken. Just imagine me as a big black chicken, you know? You can get some Kentucky Fried Chicken. Oh! This is... Bro, this is American Bud. Shut up, this is not funny. My credit card wallet is down to $160. Shut up, monkey. My credit card balance is down to $161 now.
That's what you get for not sharing. Sharing is caring.
Man, I had to get the egg for you, you African black butt scratcher.
Shut up.
I'm gonna go to the cave this way because it's way easier. You can go get some stuff out of there. I don't care.
I'm gonna just put the stuff on the teleporter. How about that? Mickey,
You're so smart.
do you not have a flashlight, bro?
I do have a flashlight. Do you want me to get it?
Thank you. Oh, I whip you. I whip you in the ass for a time.
Oh, this is the one cave.
My balls about to drink.
I'm scared. Oh, where did we
Come
go?
on, bro, go this way. Never mind, it's a dead end. It's a dead end. I think we have to go that way. I think Red Light, Green Light Monster's over there too.
Because he is. I think.
Yep, he is.
We gotta get that soda can.
He can't see us right there, man. Drink it! Bro, you're moving. He's gonna kill you.
Not if you can't see me. I can't even get nothing. RJ, I just made bro glitch. Bro's glitching. It's hard as bro, imagine. Out. Out we go. Out we go. I'm not going back. I'm gone. I'm gone. I'm leaving. I'm leaving. I don't know what y'all thought this was. I'm gone, bro. I'm gone. I'm leaving. I thought my cousin would follow me, but I'm gone. No. Nuh-uh. I wasn't going for that. That monkey better run his little crab leg, iron legs on somewhere.
I'm about to buy a shotgun and kill you.
I ain't even do nothing. I'm about to go get that little egg from that greedy little monkey. Just see you don't want to share. You don't want to be stingy. I'm gonna get my egg. Since you want to.
Don't take the gold can and the soda can. This one.
I won't do that because I'm not even there no more.
Where even are you?
egg place, trying to get the egg for you. 3, 2, 1.
Thank you. What's your Bob mission when you need it? Is it Lamar's son, Zesty, bro?
You just got me killed. Thanks a lot.
Give me either red.
Bruh, you kept talking and I was trying to focus to get the egg for you. And now I shouldn't even give you the egg, but I'ma still give the egg to you as long as I get my stuff back.
Nigga, chill. I see your backpack right there.
Nuh-uh.
I'm too lazy to get it though.
Yeah, that's why you got me. Because if you're too lazy, I'm going to get it myself.
Shut up. That's
Your backpack, you go get it.
That's what I'm about to go do, monkey. Why else?
And don't-
Man, this monkey can get these hands any day he wants. Oh, shit! Bro, what? Man, this monkey won't leave me alone. I'm not going back for that stuff. I'm getting my stuff and I'm going hunting.
Your backpack stuff is still there.
I don't care. I'm not about to risk my life to get that piece of mo, right?
Thank you for. Never mind. I don't feel it.
Man, I don't care if my wallet balance is going down by 80%, 82%. I'm at $63 and I still don't care.
But also, do you want to go and explore instead of going to that way? Because I heard there was another way except for going that way.
Sure.
Let's go this way. Let's go to this. Because I also heard there might be something over here. Follow these tours. What did I tell you?
Why is it landmines over there? See, you told the future, RJ. Remember that time you had said, why is that noise always happening? You told the future.
Oh my god. What's down here, bro?
Hey, bro.
You know what?
Hold my backpack. I got a flashlight. I'll tell you if it's cool. Whee! Come down. It's cool. Bring my backpack. Come down. It's cool. Bring my backpack. It's like a jungle tanga in here. Where are you? Are you coming down? Oh, you're coming down.
I'm here.
Pass me my backpack. I got a
Damn,
flashlight
you look
in it.
black as fuck. Turn that flashlight on.
I don't got it. Remember, I gave it to you. Oh, this is my stuff right here.
Alright.
It looks like we're in a red light, green light monster. Seriously? Hey, what's over here? Be careful where you step. It's all gray over here, so it might be a landmine.
Not landmines. What the fuck?
I don't even want to know.
You don't go that way.
Yeah, I ain't going that way, Gangy. I'm going this way. Because it looks like more of the Pacific jungle. And making sure you're there with me.
What the heck is that?
Oh, that kills you. Be careful, RJ. That kills you.
That thing right there?
Yes.
I just did not just listen.
I gotta pee. Like, actually, no joke, I gotta pee. Let me step back to put the flashlight back in my pocket. Oh my god, I gotta pee so bad. Until I don't gotta pee.
Going back up. Wait, how do you even go back up?
There must be a teleporter somewhere. You better not move not 1 inch.
Bro, he only goes after you if you move. So if I move,
Creeped out.
so if I
Give me
move,
this
he only
down.
go after me, not you.
Tissue to wipe my bum.
I'm going to try and find the teleporter, bro. Go up. Never mind, I'm too scared. Never mind, I'm too scared. Bro, I'm literally about to piece myself. Why is this nigga... Why is this nigga still here, bro? What the... Damn, I just won.
I'm shaking. Teleporter's back there.
Too slow, bro.
Teleporter's right there. Come on. Yep. Let's go. Teleporter should be. Oh, we hit jackpot. We gotta come back down here. Back up.
I thought you died.
Oh, bro, why is he always? Go out. I gotta get that other plunger. Think it's safe? I'm gonna go back in.
I don't know, bro.
I dropped my backpack. Bro! Can you take the risk next time? Man! Can you take the risk next time? I'm tired of taking these risks every month. I only take risks in the in Gorilla Tag and Gorilla Tag only. I don't take risks in other games for yo monkey self. No, you next time you taking the risks. I'm tired of getting hit by this monkey. Man, it just gets on my nerves. Ah! Jesus Christ. I gotta go all the way down here just to get my stuff back.
I just died as well. The eye monster just killed me.
I did too. I'm going back down there to get my stuff.
Your backpack?
Yes, in that plunger. I'm not leaving without my plunger.
That was my plunger.
No, the other one on the side, monkey. Jesus Christ, I seen another plunger, and I had 2 plungers actually. And that stuff better not be despawned.
Farted so loud.
Was my backpack right here?
Yep, I died on it.
Alright, then we should be out of here. I'm going out. Oh.
Wait for me.
Alright, I just told you I was leaving, so you should have been coming with me.
You never said that.
Yes, I did. I said I'm leaving. Now I gotta get my
Guess
flashlight
what?
out my...
You can't.
Yep, this is all my stuff right here. Get the
I had
flashlight.
the statue.
Yes, take the statue. Take my flashlight, put the statue back in my bag, and I'll give you everything. You're the one who holds the stuff.
Oh, you want me to help?
Hold up. I know I ain't tweaking. My backpack's full. Then some of this extra stuff is yours. We gotta leave it down here. We gotta leave it. Come on.
Unless we take the hit, and then we try and find it with the flashlight. Here, let's just all put it in there. Cause if you put it in there while I'm near the generator,
It's full.
then
It's full. It's full. You got the flashlight.
there ain't no telephone.
That's the point. We gotta pinch climb our way out, and that's what I'm about to do.
How am I about to do this goddamn thing?
Then we gotta go find the dang teleporter. Cause I'm not about to be down here all day.
That can kill you.
Oh my god, dang God. Are you serious right now, bro? I mean, are you serious right now, bro? I'm coming back down there, but I have an idea. Clearly a big one. I got a very, very good plan. We scout, we go through every area in here, and we look for one thing and one thing only. That is the teleporter. Because there's no way they built this without a teleporter.
Speak into the wrist, bro.
Bro, I'm speaking into my wrist. Dang, I'm already down here and I'm pointing the flashlight. And give me my stuff back too so you won't be...
Your stuff is goddamn over there. Chill out.
I'm not mad, dang. Stuff like that makes me mad. My headset is very low, so it's gonna die randomly. I hate this.
God.
Bro, you're being mad weird. I'm trying to focus. Better not move. Come on, let's go. Is that the same thing that kills me?
The eye monster?
Yes, that.
Yep. But if you go faster, I guess it won't kill you. Alright, bro, you can...
Man, be quiet. I got stuff in my inventory.
I'll take the hit. Never mind, go.
Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Where we going? Point the flashlight. Bro, I just stepped on the line mine. I nearly just stepped on the dang line. Tupper!
Think this is safe, bro?
I'm going down anyway. You're safe. You're safe. Man, I can't see not one thing. You're telling me? I'm scared.
Here, take the flashlight. Take the flashlight.
Why?
Take.
Took the flashlight, dang. Now this is about to be hard. Man, can we just ditch the flashlight?
Okay.
Bye. My stomach dropped. That was scary. Hey, what's over there? Should we go over there or go over there? No, wait, matter of fact, just go over here. I'll explore more about this later. The fact...
Yeah. You see, I told you, this is why.
you turn down here. Dang, I'm walking into what's over here? Teleporter! Yay! Yay!
Imagine your headset dies.
Bro, my headset's at 3%. It's going to die eventually, so I gotta end the video. Time to book bag. Why do you have so much fears about that exploding? 300 bucks.
Alright,
Alright, guys, that's the end of the video. Like and subscribe. Okay,
Yep.
bye.
Call me.